Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to use the flathead mushroom stud hand tool. So here is the hand tool. It looks very simple. There's a little part down here at the bottom for the mushroom stud to go into, and I'm going to use a bit of cork fabric that I have here. We're going to start off with taking a little pokey tool or anything that can make a hole. I'm going to make a small hole in our fabric, just enough for the backing rivet to go into. We can take our small little rivet, come with our mushroom studs. We're going to push that through the back of our material. Oops. Push that through, just like so. You'll see it should be poking out the top there. I'm going to place that down on our cutting mat. I'm going to take my mushroom stud. You can see on the back end of it, there's a hole in the middle, and that's where you want that rivet to go. So we're going to place the rivet where that middle hole is. So it all sits on top. I'm going to take my tool and I'm going to take this end, which has that space in there for the mushroom stud. I'm going to put that on top. We're going to try our best to keep it straight as we can, and then we're going to hammer that through. And here we have a very firmly fixed mushroom stud, just like that.